the outside of the K-Yacht 85. If we first come to this locker here, and then if we come in here, you will see that this is the freshwater tank, and then we have the two drain points just here. This pipe here is connected to the travel drain that's inside the freshwater tank, and then this one is connected to the main drain to drain all the water out of it. So when you pull the bung in the freshwater tank for this one, you do then need to make sure that this lever here is also turned to drain the tank. If we now close the locker, we then have the freshwater fill point. So literally pop a hose in to fill up the freshwater tank. Next we have the gas locker. So we have space in here for 2 bottles. The regulator just sits here, and then the pigtail comes off the regulator and then screws into the propane bottle. Do make sure that the bottle is off for travel by turning the knob clockwise and then anti-clockwise to turn it on. We then have the mains hookup point, and then the flue for the Truma Combi boiler. You do not need to do anything with these particular ones, just make sure that nothing's obstructing it. Now we have the external shower point. With these, you just need to get this part here and plug it in. These are mixable, so you can have hot water as well, and then as long as the water's on inside, these will go under pressure and then twist to then remove. Next we have one of the rear garage doors. So if we come into here, you will see that there is a cupboard, and located in that is the Truma Combi boiler. The boiler drain for the boiler is just here, and to drain the boiler down for winterization, you just need to twist the blue diamond just here, and it will then eject all the water out of the boiler. To close it back up again, twist, and then there is also a blue button that has popped out just down here, so you do need to click that back into place as well. When these auto drain, all that happens is that blue button just pops out, so you just need to push it back in to reset it. If you're pushing it back in and it's not resetting, it's just too cold in the motorhome, and you just need to turn your heating on to generate some heat to reset it. Coming around the back of the van, we then have the tow bar and reverse sensors and reverse camera up there. Obviously we're now around the other side of the garage. We do have a light in here that is on an extendable cord, and we also have the compressor and foam, as these motorhomes do not come with spare wheels. Next we have the Truma barbecue point. To use this, you do need this brass spear just here. You attach the hose of the barbecue to this point here of the Jubilee clip, and then this part here inserts into here. Once it's in, it locks into place, and then it will allow you to turn the gas on. To release it, just push on the collar and it will pop back out again. Next we have external main socket and external TV and satellite points. There is also a continental 12 volt just here as well. After that we have the Thetford cassette toilet, standard with wheels and an extendable handle. We then have storage locker just here, and then the lower and top vents for the fridge. We then have what we saw on the inside video, the leisure battery, and then the trip switches and 12 volt fuses. We do have, and you can see easier now on at this angle, an isolator switch, so we can turn that to off and kill any residual draw on the leisure battery when the van is in storage. And then last we just have the diesel fill point just here, and then the AdBlue fill point